I swim, I wrestle, and I play water polo during the spring. Honestly, probably just like coming to school in the morning and going to South Tech and doing different stuff than like a normal high schooler and getting to actually do something I like enjoy to do. I'm in the HVAC program out there, and it's pretty cool. Like, we go into class and it's like what we learn we actually get to do. Next is probably head out to Ranken in the August of next year, go get like the license to become an HVAC technician, and then after that just see where it takes me and stuff. It's like just giving me examples of like real life stuff that happen, and just like how you could just plan to come to school one day and next thing you know it's like a whole different situation's happening where it's like you're coming and you think you're gonna do one thing in class and it's just totally something else. So it like prepares me for just the randomness of stuff, just what to happen. Honestly, just go out and do new stuff. Don't be scared to try something new, because like if you don't know what everything else it has to offer. So like just put yourself out there and be ready and embrace change. Don't be scared of it.